Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sponsor someone in Cash App. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm in the Cash app on my iPhone. You can do the same steps on an Android as well, or even a computer. Now open up the Cash app here, and the first thing you need to do is tap on your profile at the very top right. Now you can see here is my account. Keep in mind your account needs to be an adult account to be able to sponsor somebody. What this means is you need to be 18 years or older, and you might need to verify using your social security number. After you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down until you get to families on this list and tap on that. It says on here, share benefits with families. A sponsored account for anyone 13 to 17 years old can be set up in minutes. And you can see it says they can deposit money, spend it using a debit card, exchange money with friends and family, etc. All you need to do is tap on invite a team. After you've done that, it will pop up with all of your contacts. You can see in a lot of cases, if they have that little Cash App symbol, that means they have a Cash app. You can see if there are some people with just a phone number, that means they don't have an account yet set up, and you can just send them that, and then they can set up that Cash app to be basically sponsored by you. Now, if you tap on somebody's name here, it says basically you can, in this case, they're an adult, so you can't sponsor this person right now. They may have already a sponsored account or might not be eligible. So keep in mind, again, only eligible accounts to be sponsored are between 13 and 17 years old. Basically, these are meant to be your kids or your children that you can sponsor and then send money to, and then they can use that money directly in the Cash app to be able to buy things, send money to friends, receive money, stuff like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.